Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game crashing, not loading, not launching, black screen, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. So for that, first select your game from home screen, now press menu button on controller, then select quit, finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and after that select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings, then click on test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. And then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often release patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for the update option and then try to launch the game. Next solution is to clear cache of the game. For that, press Xbox guide, click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game, then press Menu. Now select Manage Game and Add-ons, then click on Save Data, then click on Reserved Space and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, open Xbox. First press Xbox button to open the guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next to go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Once done, try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next solution is to check storage space. For that, open Xbox button, then go to the profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else you have to delete some unused tabs or games to create space and after that try to launch the game. Next method is to reinstall Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. So when you face the same problem, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps and select See All option. Here select Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 official website and download the game. After that, try to play it. If not, then final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end and you can play the game further without any issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.